Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to send super likes on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store of course, and you have to go and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically what you have here, as you can see, we have everything about your profile at the bottom of the screen. We have messages, we have the plus button where you can go of course and put new content, the explore, and at the end we have the for you page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send super like on the Likee application. So you can send super like to the videos of creators you follow. So basically you have to first follow those creators. Super likes are collected first time you use super like, so first time when you use super like, complete watching video tasks. So you have to go and force watch the video tasks that are shown to you to complete them. Invite a new user to install Likee. So basically when you will get the super like by doing this step. And of course you can go and give trade super likes for diamonds. Of course that is one more, and the of course last option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.